let's look at some 3D shapes. So here are the 3D shapes you need to know. We've got the classic example cylinder. Here's my cylinder. This is can of baked beans. Cube, I have here a dice, example of a cube. Cuboid is a cube stretched out, so it has rectangle faces, and you can remember that cuboid is kind of a longer word than cube, so it's kind of cube stretched out. We have a sphere, so this is my orange, this is my sphere, like planet Earth sphere. We have a tetrahedron, a bit harder to remember. It's a pyramid, but it has a triangle base, and I remember that by it begins with a T, so it has a triangle base. Triangular prism, I think this is like a Toblerone. Unfortunately, I don't have a Toblerone with me now. Anyway, I remember this by tri, so you know it's got something to do with triangles, and the angular makes me think of rectangular, so I know it has a rectangular base from this angular, and triangle from tri. A cone, classic ice cream cone. Again, unfortunately, I don't have an ice cream cone. It is sunny today though, so it'd be an ideal ice cream cone weather. And then we have really badly drawn square-based pyramids. These are your Egyptian pyramids. Also, unfortunately, I couldn't get one here today. I'm sure you understand. And it has a square at the bottom, and then it meets point at the top. Okay, so what you're actually going to need to know about these shapes or work out is these 3 points here. So vertices, faces, and edges. So let's go through what each one is. So a face, I think that's the easiest thing. It's a thing you can would be able to draw a face on. So for example, I could draw a smiley face there because it's a face. An edge is where two faces meet. So here, these lines kind of what you'd expect an edge to be. All of those are edges. And a vertex is the thing that's left, which is a corner. And I think of this kind of by looking at the letter V, it's kind of a corner. Don't know if that helps. So we've got faces, things you can draw smiley faces on, edges where faces meet, lines, edges, and vertices, which are the corners. So let's look how many a cube actually has. So if I bring my dice back into the picture and I want to know how many faces it has, I can just count. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got this one and the opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and top, bottom, 5, 6. 6 faces. If I look at edges, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. If you don't have any shape to write on in the exam to check, you could count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are your edges. And the vertices, so the corners 1, 2, 3, 4, and the ones on the other side 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, let's look at another shape. Let's look at the sphere. Let's look at the orange here. How many faces does it have? So it's kind of just got this one big face, which you would be able to draw a smiley face on, so that's the face. How many edges? So how many where the faces meet? Well, there's only one face, so it can't meet another face, therefore there are no edges. And vertices, corners. I don't know about you, but I shouldn't really see. It's not a perfect sphere, but there should be no vertices on this shape here. Let's take the cylinder, our baked beans. Faces, things you can draw smiley face on, you can draw it on here, the top, the bottom, and here. 3 faces. Edges, so where they meet, 1 here, 2 here. And vertices, corners, doesn't look like any corners to me.